Every day we experience new events and learn new words that help us to enhance our vocabulary. These new experiences fill our mind with wonderful ideas, which we can use in creative writing. Do you know? Creative writing helps to develop our emotional skills. Or creative writing channelize our emotions and prepare us how to manage in any situation. To learn this art of describing things, situation in creative way, it is very important to understand figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that possesses a different meaning from its literal definition. Figure of speech helps to express writer's intent and enhances the beauty of writing and gives the reader with sense of wonder. Or we can say figure of speech adds flavor to the writing and make it more enjoyable for the readers. In this video, we are going to learn about simile and metaphor. Simile and metaphor are two figures of speech used to make comparisons. What is a simile? Simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. The purpose of a simile is to help describe one thing by comparing it to another thing that is perhaps unrelated. Similes are a great way to make writing more exciting and memorable without losing clarity. Let's see some examples. John is as brave as a lion. Here we have two nouns, John and lion. Right? So John is a human being and lion is an animal, wild animal. But we have one thing common between them, that is they are brave. So if we have two opposite things and if we know any similarity between those opposite things, then we can create a simile out of them. Next example is Rosie is pretty like a red rose. So Rosie, who is a girl, is compared with red rose. Rosie and rose, both are two different things, isn't it? But there is one thing common between them, that is they are pretty. So we have created a simile. Rosie is pretty like a red rose. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that is used to make a comparison between two things that are not alike but do have something in common, unlike a simile where two things are compared directly using like or as. A metaphor's comparison is more indirect and intended to convey a different meaning than the literal meaning of the word or phrases. Metaphors are used in communication to help illustrate or explain something by comparing it to something else. It helps people to clearly visualize unfamiliar concepts and explain unfamiliar situations meaningfully. Metaphors add variety and interest to a person's writing and conversations. It creates strong image and leave long-lasting impressions or impact on readers and audiences. Let's see some examples. Rama is a shining star of the class. So Rama is shown as a shining star of the class. Right? It doesn't mean she's a star, but to create that image or to create a long lasting impression on readers, the writer has used it as Rama is a shining star of the class. This shows maybe she is a bright student, right? Another example, Rishi has a heart of gold. It doesn't mean Rishi has heart is made of gold, but to show that Rishi is kind-hearted person, the writer has used over here Rishi has a heart of gold. Right? Clear? Let's see some more examples. My little sister is as cute as teddy bear. So we have here sister and teddy bear. Two things are compared as cute. So one thing which is common between them is cute, and to compare these two different things we are using word like or as, so it is a simile. Right? Next example. Security man of our society is a night owl. Here security man is shown as a night owl. So it is a metaphor used over here. Next example is this floor is shining like a mirror. So the floor is compared with mirror using word like or as. So it is a simile. Example is the clouds are fluffy cotton balls. So the clouds, we are talking here about clouds, and they are compared with cotton ball. They are shown as a cotton ball. So this is a metaphor. So we learnt that figure of speech makes text more interesting. Writers use different types of figure of speech to create interesting effects. We learnt about similes and metaphors. Simile is a way of describing things using word as and like. Next is metaphor. Metaphor describes something by saying that it is something else, and we never use like or as in metaphors. So these two are the common figure of speech. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.